A very good morning, students. I hope that you all are well, you are safe, you are studying regularly at the home. In maths, students, you have to do regular practice. After watching the video, you have to do your classwork, you have to do your homework, you have to practice the questions. Otherwise, you won't be able to understand and you won't be able to do the questions from your own. So today we will be completing chapter number 7, fractions. In today's class, I will be discussing the questions from exercise 7H and 7I. These two, they are small exercises, so we can take in one day. So here I have written a question, convert the fraction into mixed numeral. Here I have written a fraction that is 17 upon 3. This type of fraction we can say 17 upon 3 is an improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator it is greater than the denominator. So how to convert this mixed fraction? How to convert this improper fraction into mixed numeral? First of all, we have to divide 17 by 3. 17 I have divided with 3. 3 5s are 15 and 2. 15, 17 minus 15 comes 2. So 5 it is the quotient, 3 is the divisor and 2 it is the remainder. So how to write? First we have to write the quotient, then remainder, and then we have to write the divisor. So what is the quotient? 5. So I have written here 5. Remainder, what is remainder? Is 2. So I have written 2, and divisor 3. So I have written here 3. Let us do one more question. I am writing another question. In this we have to convert this mixed fraction, this improper fraction, this 5 upon 4, it is an improper fraction. We have to convert this 5 upon 4 improper fraction into mixed numeral. So I have written here 5 upon 4. How to convert it? First of all, you have to divide 5 by 4. 5. We have to divide it with 4. 4 ones are 4. If you subtract 5 from 4, you will be getting 1. So this is the quotient, this one is the remainder, and 4 it is the divisor. So how to write this? First of all, we will be writing the quotient, that is 1, then the remainder, that is 1, and the divisor, that is 4. In this way we have converted this fraction into the mixed numeral. Let us take one more example. Upon 11. How to convert this? First of all, we have to do the division. We will be dividing 98 with 11. So 11 8s are 88. Here it comes 0 and 1. This is the quotient, this is the remainder, and this is the divisor. So how to write? First quotient, then remainder, and then divisor. Like this we have to write. So quotient is 8, I will be writing 8. Remainder is 10 and divisor is 11. So we have converted this fraction into the mixed numeral. Now what if in the question it is given convert the mixed numeral to the fraction? If in opposite the question it is given, like we have to convert the mixed numeral, if we have to convert the mixed numeral into fraction. If we have to convert the mixed numeral into the improper fraction, then how to convert it? I am writing the question 2 1 upon 3. This is a mixed numeral. We have to convert it into fraction, that is improper fraction. So how to do it? 2 multiply, you will be multiplying 2 with 3 and you will be then adding 1 to it and dividing it with this denominator, that is 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 upon 3. So 6 plus 1 is 7 upon 3. Like this way you have to do. So a mixed numeral, this is a mixed numeral, is changed into an improper fraction. This is changed into this improper fraction by multiplying the whole number by the denominator. This is the whole number. We have multiplied this whole number with the denominator, that is 2 multiplied by 3. This is whole number and this is denominator. We have multiplied this and adding to the product the numerator of the fraction, and we have to add. We have to first of all multiply this. After multiplying this, we have to add the numerator. Numerator is 1, so I have added here 1. The result so obtained forms the new numerator of the improper fraction. Here the numerator will be the new, but the denominator we will be writing as it is. Here is 3 also, here also we will be writing 3. Only the numerator it changes. Let us do one more example. 5 1 upon 6. How to convert this? First of all, we will be multiplying this whole number with the denominator. So 5 multiplied by 6. Then we have to add the numerator and we have to divide. The denominator will remain the same, that is 6. So we have to multiply. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30 plus 1 upon 6. So the answer is 31 upon